Welcome to AG Group, where we do innovations together with our committed, dedicated team. Please join with us to serve the industry in a better way so that we can be able to make a better future for the industry.
Established in 1988, we are your trusted partner in reaching your goals and standing out from the rest. Our state-of-the-art facilities include PVC PU belts, manufacturing, belt fabrication facility, roller plant, pulleys manufacturing section, and a machining section. We are proud to partner with renowned brands to deliver unmatched quality. At AG Group, we are committed to continuous improvement and staying ahead of market demands. Our ongoing developments ensure we provide cutting-edge solutions tailored to your needs. AG Group celebrates your success as our success. We are more than just a provider of belts. We are your partner in growth. Join us in conveying non-stop movement and achieving excellence together.